In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a menu on Wix. Whether you're creating a website for a business, a blog, or just for fun, having a well-structured and easy-to-navigate menu is crucial. It not only improves the user experience, but also makes your website look professional and polished. So let's dive right in and explore the process of creating your own menu on Wix, step by step. First things first, you need to log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything related to your website. It's important to have your dashboard open because it's the launching point for accessing the design features you'll be using today. Next, look for the option that says Design Site. Click on it to enter the main interface where all the magic happens. This is where you'll be able to make aesthetic changes and customize the visual elements of your site, including your menu. Once you've accessed the Design Site feature, you'll find yourself in the Wix website editor. The editor is a comprehensive tool that provides you with a range of options for editing your site. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry. We're just focusing on the menu today. Look over to the left side of the editor and you'll see a plus button, also known as the Add button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Menu and Search. This option contains all the elements related to menus and navigation. Once selected, you'll see a variety of menu styles that you can drag onto your page. Choose the one that best fits the aesthetic of your site. Simply drag the menu element you like onto your page. Customizing your menu is a vital part of this process. You can change the menu's style, color, and positioning according to your preferences. Take some time to experiment with different styles to see what looks best with your overall design. Customization is key to making your menu align with your brand's identity, ensuring it complements the look and feel of the rest of your website. Before you finalize and publish your changes, it's a good idea to click on the Preview button. This allows you to see how your menu and your site as a whole will appear to visitors. Make sure everything looks just right and that your menu functions smoothly and efficiently. After previewing, if you're happy with the setup, go ahead and click Publish. This makes your new menu live for the world to see. And there you have it.